Every time you eat processed foods, take antibiotics, or get stressed, you're starving your good bacteria. The result? Bloating that won't quit, energy crashes by 3 p.m., and cravings that feel impossible to control. But what if I told you? The cure has been hiding in your pantry all along. Today, I'm exposing the 3 secret seeds that, when used correctly, can repair a leaky gut in weeks, supercharge your good bacteria, even boost your mood naturally. But warning, most people are using number 2 completely wrong, and it's making their gut damage worse. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use these seeds to transform your gut health forever. First up, the seed's so powerful, ancient Aztec warriors used it for stamina. But 95% of people are making one critical mistake that turns it from gut healer to gut wrecker. Seed number 1. Chia seeds, the ancient fiber and hydration balm. Tiny but mighty, just 2 tablespoons is approximately equal to 1 ounce. Chia seeds pack around 10 grams of fiber, nearly 35–40% of your daily needs. And that fiber isn't just bulk, it's mostly soluble, which forms a gel in your gut, slowing digestion, boosting satiety, and feeding good bacteria so they can produce healing short-chain fatty acids. Extra power-up facts. They help regulate blood sugar, lower LDL cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. They absorb 10–12x their weight in water, hydrating each cell of your digestive tract. The suspenseful twist? Dry chia equals danger. If you don't soak them, they'll gulp water inside your gut, worsening, bloating, slowing digestion, and even risking impaction. How to use chia like a gut pro? Overnight pudding. Combine 1/4 cup chia plus 1 cup almond milk plus berries. Smoothie thickener. Use soaked chia to give creamy texture and fiber. Egg substitute for baking. Mix 1 tablespoon chia plus 3 tablespoons water. Let it gel. Pro tip: soak before use and start slow. Too much fiber too fast equals bloating hell. Seed number 2. Flax seeds, the omega-3 and gut lining warrior. Next up, golden flax seeds, rich in plant-based omega-3 ALA, and packed with lignans, a type of polyphenol that acts like a prebiotic, feeding healthy gut bacteria. Powerful science-backed facts. In a 2021 study, flax fiber boosted bifidobacterium and Akkermansia microbes linked to gut health and significantly increased butyrate production, a key SCFA for healing the gut lining. Another study found flax boosting enterolignans like enterolactone linked to gut repair and blood fat regulation. Secret mistake most make: eating whole flax? Useless. Your gut can't break that shell, so grind them fresh to unlock benefits. How to use flax the right way. Add 1 tablespoon fresh ground flax to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies. Use it for a vegan egg and baking. 1 tablespoon ground flax plus 3 tablespoons water. Mix grounded flax with water before meals to ease digestion. Storage warning: ground flax goes rancid fast. Keep it refrigerated. Seed number 3. Pumpkin seeds, the zinc leak seal. Here's the gut truth. Few mention. Zinc deficiency fuels leaky gut. Around 1 in 3 people are low in zinc, compromising gut integrity. Why zinc matters? It tightens the junctions between gut cells, the sealants. It defends against harmful bacteria while nurturing gut-friendly flora. A 2023 study found zinc supplements closed gut leaks in just 8 weeks. Makes chia and flax way more effective. Big roasting mistake. High heat roasting kills zinc in pumpkin seeds. Instead, use raw or activated seeds soaked overnight to preserve nutrients. Easy gut healing ways to use them. Top your salad with 1/4 cup raw or soaked seeds. Make your own pumpkin seed butter. Blend raw seeds plus coconut oil. If roasting, use low heat under 150 degrees Celsius or activate by soaking first. Easy ways to add them. Salad topper, 1/4 cup raw seeds. Pumpkin seed butter, blend raw seeds plus coconut oil. Turmeric roasted, low heat only. Zinc is heat sensitive. Quick recap and CTA. So to fix your gut fast: 1 chia equals fiber for probiotic. 2 flax equals omega-3 second plus gut lining repair. 3 pumpkin equals zinc to seal leaks. Now it's your turn. Which one of these seeds are you starting with today? Chia for fiber, flax for gut lining, or pumpkin for zinc? Drop a quick note in the comments. Do you already use one? Or are you excited to try something new? Want a challenge? Comment chia, flax, or pump Depending on which seed you'll add to your diet today, let me know why. Smash that like button to show YouTube you want more gut health content so it shares this with others who need it. And if you want more pantry to science-backed health hacks, subscribe and ring that bell. You'll be the first to know when new tips drop. I personally read and reply to every comment, so let's make this a space for gut health warriors to share, support, and learn from each other.